Where do I put the jack when changing a tire? Have you ever found yourself with a flat tire and wondered where to place the jack? Knowing the right spot is essential for safely lifting your car. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to locate the jacking points on your vehicle. These are special areas designed to support the weight of the car when lifting. Typically, you will find these jacking points just behind the front wheels or just ahead of the rear wheels. They are usually located beneath the rocker panels, which are the lower side parts of the car body near the doors. To find the exact location, look for a flat and sturdy section of the car's frame. You might see a notch or a reinforced rib in this area. This is where the jack should go. If you are unsure, your car's owner's manual will have specific information about the jacking points for your vehicle model. It is very important to avoid placing the jack on weak parts like the running board or any plastic trim. Doing so can damage your car and create a safety risk. Once you have found the right spot, position the jack so that its top fits snugly into the jacking point. This is often between two raised areas on the jack that lock into the car's frame. This ensures that the jack won't slip while you are lifting the car. Now turn the jack handle slowly and steadily to lift the car. Keep the jack straight and stable during this process. You want to lift the car until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Safety is key here. Never get under the car when it is only supported by the jack. If you need to work under the vehicle, always use jack stands placed under the proper support points to hold the car securely. To recap, locate the jacking points near the wheels under the rocker panels. Consult your owner's manual for your car's specific jacking points. Position the jack securely into the jacking point, lift the car slowly, and use jack stands if you need to work underneath. By following these steps, you can change a tire safely and effectively. As a teen driver, mastering this skill will help you handle flat tires confidently on the road.